In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could change your profile picture here in Rocket League on either a PlayStation, Xbox, or PC. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, in Rocket League, your profile picture is actually tied to your console account. So if you're on PS5 or an Xbox or PS4 or Xbox One, you're going to need to just change your system profile picture. On PlayStation, you can do this just by backing out, going to your profile icon on the home screen, selecting it, and then editing your profile from there. You specifically have to make sure that you're choosing your avatar. When you return to Rocket League, you may have to fully close out of it in order for it to update, and on Xbox, the process is pretty much the exact same. Just go to Profile, select Customize Profile, and then of course, do the exact same thing. Restart Rocket League, and you're good to go. And of course, on PC, really all you need to go to your profile settings, and then from here, you could choose your avatar border and change the rest of your settings in this exact same section. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.